an interview.
Hi, I'm here talking to, what's your name?
Caleb.
Caleb. Tell me a little bit about what you've been doing in your project, Caleb.
Learning about nature and learning about Treaty 7 areas.
Sorry?
Treaty
Talk
7.
louder.
We've been learning about nature and we've been learning about Treaty 7 and we're learning about Treaty 7 area.
Okay. So tell me a little more about that. What specifically have you been doing?
We've been going outside and seeing what has changes in our garden boxes and that what we have done.
Yeah?
And we've been seeing how the plant has changed, and that's all that I remember.
Wow. If there's one major thing that you've learned, what would it be?
Learning Blackfoot words.
Cool. Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah,
Why?
because there's amazing activities.
Okay. And do you think other schools should be doing this?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.